Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I was wanting to go ahead and do a real quick post review on these two canvases that I have from ARTDOT. Now this is just just two. I don't have, all four of them. I just have two. So I've seen a lot of unboxings for ARTDOT, but I've not seen a whole lot of post reviews for ARTDOT. So I did this one a few months back, but I just did the deer like a couple days ago. So I thought, well, since I did this just a couple days ago, I'd just go ahead and do a post review. And I wasn't even going to do one on the rooster. I was just going to do the deer because I just finished him. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do them both because they were pretty good canvases. And like I said, I've not seen a lot of post reviews for the ARTDOT. Just a lot of unboxings. So, alright. I'm going to start with the rooster. And I'm going to turn him around so that you can see a little bit better. To the best of my knowledge, because like I said, I received these two canvases way before I had a YouTube channel. So that's why there is no unboxing video for these. So I guess you could say these were part of my stash, and I'm just, going through my canvases. So I thought, well, I need a video, so I'm just going to do a post review on it. So, whatever. Anyway, 30 by 40 is the size. Now, I had no issues with the rooster. None at all whatsoever. Like I said, very good canvases. They come in a box. They're flat. So there's no, having to iron them. There's no wrinkles. There's no laying it under your mattress for several days before you can do them. None of that. They're flat. Already flat. I wish they all were like that, but, Sorry, my phone just went off. But, like I said, I didn't have any issues with any of it. They are both poured glue. The drills, no problems with the drills. They were, decent quality. The glue is really sticky. The colors are bright. There is a shine to it. Or, a sparkle. No issues. No issues at all with this one. So, the deer. I'm going to turn him around too so you can see him. The deer, I had no issues with as far as the glue or the drills. It's also a 30 by 40 poured glue. Here's the thing. It's bound to happen at some point in time. But in another video, I had mentioned that, knock on wood, I had never had any issues with any of my canvases. I'd never ran out of drills. Well, I ran out of drills on this one. Right here. I had this much, where this pink is right here. That's how many drills I had. That's how many drills I needed to complete that color. Because it was actually supposed to be this color. And I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But anyway, point being, I ran out of drills. So, I looked in my storage system to see if I had any of the color, which was color 351. And of course, I didn't. So, luckily, with these two canvases being extremely just, looks like somebody just splashed paint all over everything because of the colors, I just used a different color, and I'm like, you know what? Who's going to know? I'm the only one that's going to know. So, who cares? So, I just went with the other pink, and just used it. So, like I said, it is bound to happen at some point in time. Luckily, me running out of drills on a canvas like this to where I could just use something else, thank goodness. Because if it had been on another canvas, to where, you know, maybe it was supposed to have been, you know, all this color, and, you know, I didn't have it. You know what I'm saying? At least it wasn't something that was noticeable, you know. So, anyway. Other than that little hiccup, I think ARTDOT are very good canvases. I really do. And like I said, I didn't have any issues with them, and I think they turned out fine. And I like that they were true to their size. They are actually a 30 by 40 drill field. Their colors of their drills are nice and bright. Like I said, pretty good quality drills. And I didn't have any major issues other than just running out of that color. And I mean, what, maybe 20, 25 colors, or 20, 25 drills, I mean, that I needed. So, not a big issue. Do I recommend ARTDOT? Sure do. So, I really enjoyed doing these two, and even though it has so much color in it, and you're constantly changing your colors, it went pretty quick. You know, it just kind of flowed. I just did my little sections at a time, and had no issues. So, anyway, this is maybe a little bit of a train wreck of a video, but like I said, I just finished him like 2 days ago, and I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and do a video, even though I didn't have an unboxing of this. And I have a few more canvases that I have not done yet that I had ordered and received them before I started my YouTube channel, so therefore I don't have unboxings or unbaggings of them. But when I finish them, I'm still going to do a post review video on them. So anyway, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So sorry this is, you know, all over the place. It was just one of those spur of the moments. I'm going to do a video. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, this is your first time stopping by, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when I have a new video. If you are returning, thank you. I appreciate it, and I hope everyone's having a great day. And until next time, I guess I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.